Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Chili Flakes. Today I want to talk about the most common issue that moms face after pregnancy. Post-pregnancy brings out some body issues along with your cute little bundles of joy. Most women face back pain post-pregnancy that continues for years in some cases. In this video, I will cover all the information that can help our new mom and also be moms to treat and understand in more detail about the body changes and body requirement after delivery. Before we start, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. The most common issue that almost every mom faces is back pain after delivery. Now the back pain can lead to a bigger issue later in life for women, so it's better to make some lifestyle changes that could contribute to your back pain to a certain extent. Before I talk about the treatment, let's dig down the reason behind back pain in women. During our pregnancy journey, we carry 5 to 10 pounds baby throughout 9 months. In addition to that, as the baby grows and stretches out belly, it compromises our abdominal muscle and core strength. This can lead to lower back pain. Also, our weight gain is a major issue of our back pain. We tend to start binge eating for a healthy baby growth, which later becomes challenging to lose weight. Also, some women experience back pain due to epidural that women may take during delivery to have painless delivery. Epidural causes back pain to 20 to 25% of mothers. I also experienced severe back pain during first to second month of post-pregnancy, and the pain normally starts from the area where the epidural was injected and later covers the entire spinal cord. So, I would not say that there is no side effect of epidural. However, it's not right to blame epidural for every change. I have incorporated few things in my life that had helped me to get relief from pain. So the first thing that can make a difference is exercise. For normal delivery, you can do exercise from the very next day. But for C-section, you have to take a gap of 6 weeks before starting any exercise regime. You can do a 10-minute stretching, normal walking or some sort of yoga, anything you are comfortable with. Also, whenever you are taking your child from floor or couch, always make sure to bend your knees and then lift the baby. Whenever you are breastfeeding a baby, make sure the height of the baby is very near to the breast, and instead of using a soft couch while breastfeeding, is always required to use an upright chair for the breastfeeding. Next thing you can do is to use any postpartum belt or any heating pad. This can give you an instant relief from back pain. You can simply wrap any warm cloth that can also work. Now the third thing that really makes a difference in my back pain story is using a flat thin pillow or no pillow while sleeping. I always like to use a more stiff or hard kind of pillow underneath my head while sleeping. During starting post-pregnancy weeks, I experienced a severe back pain in the morning. It took me some time to realize the reason, but from the day I started avoiding any pillow, I can seriously feel the difference. My back pain had reduced to 50%, so I will suggest you to try it. If that also doesn't make any change, you should start taking some kind of medication for pain relief. But always consult your doctor before taking it. Always remember that these remedies will work only when there is a sense of acceptance to ourselves. We have to accept the fact that this is something exceptional. Every woman faces this. We have gone through so much change in the span of just 9 months, not only physically but also mentally. So eventually it will take some time to get on track. With this positivity and the treatment I have mentioned above, you can surely get rid of your pregnancy issue. I hope I am helpful to you. If you like my video, do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.